news site NDTV reports that U.S. banks are scrambling to move billions of dollars worth of gold from London to New York. They're fueled by fears of a global trade war sparked by President Donald Trump's tariff threats against Europe. This massive influx of gold, well, it has more than doubled America's gold inventories since Election Day, with the U.S. now holding around $106 billion in gold. That's up from $50 billion on November 5th. The gold rush, well, it is largely driven by the Trump tariff threats, which have caused gold prices in London to drop by around $20 since December. Traders are also worried that Trump might impose tariffs on gold, promoting a surge in demand for the precious metals in the U.S. Major banks like JP Morgan and HSBC, they are flying gold across the Atlantic to cover losses on short positions, with much of the gold landing in New York City, where it's currently worth more than in London. That's what the Wall Street Journal reported. This development, of course, has led to a significant shortage of gold in London, with delivery times increasing from a few days to now 4 to 8 weeks. In fact, last week, President Trump announced 25% import taxes on steel and aluminum. That's, of course, fueling fears that Trump will also impose tariffs on gold. According to Deputy Governor Sir Dave Ramsden, the Bank of England has been inundated with requests due to the significant price difference between London's cash price and New York's future market prices. That's what the Telegraph reported. Gold futures in New York have risen 11% this year, reaching $2,935 a troy ounce, with some analysts predicting a record high of $3,000 a troy ounce. As a result, approximately 8,000 gold bars valued at around 2% of the BOE's total gold reserves have been moved out of its vaults over the past few months. Well, banks, they are now capitalizing on the price disparity by withdrawing substantial amounts of gold from London vaults and Swiss refineries. This gold is then transported to the U.S., where it's delivered into futures contracts, allowing banks to reap the benefits of higher prices in New York. JP Morgan is leading the charge, plans to deliver $4 billion worth of gold this month alone.